Hey guys, this is Megha. Welcome back to my channel Love Yourself, and I just hope that you all are doing great. So guys, today's video is going to be about baby oil. So I'm going to discuss everything like the risks, the benefits, the exceptions, the uses and everything of baby oil. So the reason I decided to make a video on baby oil is that there is a lot of confusion and a lot many queries regarding the use of baby oil. A lot of people think that is it safe for adults or whether it should be used on face or not. In fact, there were many rumors as to the skin infections or the diseases or the skin damage it may cause to anybody. So in this video, I'm going to tell you each and everything, and I'm going to clarify the uses, the exceptions, the do's and the don'ts. You might be knowing the uses and the benefits of baby oil, but in this video, you're going to know the risks involved and when you should not use baby oil, for which skin type baby oil is good and for which skin type baby oil is bad. So do watch the video till the end and let's get into the video. Now, as the name suggests, baby oil is an oil made up for babies, keeping in mind this very soft skin and the gentle skin of babies. Now the question arises that whether it can be used by adults. So the simple answer to the question is that it can definitely be used by adults, as it does not contain any harmful chemicals. In fact, it is just made up of 98% of minerals and 2% of fragrance, which makes it really good for your skin. So it can definitely be used by adults. Baby oil is so light and it feels so much weightless, unlike the other oils available in the market, that anyone can use it. Anyone, by anyone I mean people of any skin type, can use the oil. However, there are some exceptions which you will get to know later in the video. Now first we're going to discuss the various benefits or the uses of baby oil, and then later in the video we're going to discuss the risks and the exceptions of baby oil. Yeah, one thing you have to make sure that the oil you're purchasing or the baby oil you're using is very light, and just see that it does not contain any chemical. In fact, you can just go for Johnson & Johnson as it is very light and it can suit anybody. So guys, now let us see some benefits of baby oil. Now people having dry skin can definitely use this product as a moisturizer on their face. In fact, whenever they apply makeup on their face, they would feel even more dry skin. So a very good solution for the problem is that whenever they apply a bit of foundation on their hands, they can add 2 or 3 drops of baby oil and then apply the foundation on their face as a base, and it will not lead to any drying of the face. And I'm not covering the full face because the motive is just to show you guys how it is done. You can see the flawless finish. Now the people having really dry lips can also go for baby oil. Now before applying your lipstick, just apply a little bit of baby oil on your lips and massage it for 1 to 2 minutes. Then you may apply your lipstick on that baby oil and you will get really soft baby-like lips. Now baby oil is really good for cracked heels and stretch marks. So people having cracked heels as well as stretch marks can really go for baby oil. Just apply a little bit of baby oil on your cracked heels or wherever you have stretch marks, and it will really prove to be a miracle. You can do this before you go to bed, but guys, you have to do this every night. Now there are also people that could not find a good moisturizer for themselves, so this baby oil proves to be a really good solution for them. Just after shower, you can easily apply this baby oil on your skin wherever you feel like, except your face. Tell you later in the video why not to apply it on your face. You can also nourish and pamper your cuticles with the help of this baby oil. Just take a few drops of baby oil in and start massaging it over your cuticles. Do it for at least 2 to 3 minutes and there you're done. Well, now many people ask that how can they clean their dirty makeup brushes. So baby oil is a solution for them too. Just take few drops of baby oil on your palm and rub your brushes, the dirty brushes, on that oil. Now my brush is really small, so I'm taking a really little amount of baby oil and then we clean it. Now if you have too many brushes, then you may even use a bowl. Just take some of the baby oil in a bowl, as I've already taken, and take your dirty brush, and this is what you have to do. And guys, you can see The color is coming off from my brush. नहीं दिख रहा क्या? Now it is ready to just rinse it off with lukewarm water. So now we'll be washing our brushes with lukewarm water. And then we keep it on a clean towel. All irritated from these baby hair coming out of our ponytails, so you can easily fix these baby hair, unwanted baby hair with this baby oil. Just take a little bit of it so that your hair does not look really oily. So use this instead of a hairspray, as hairspray has a lot many chemicals in it and it just spoils your hair. Now if you do not have any under eye gel, then please don't worry, just apply a few drops of baby oil under your eyes and see the magic. But before going to sleep, you have to apply this every night and just wipe off the extra with a tissue. Now the people with normal to oily skin are advised not to use baby oil on their face or any oil for that matter, because our skin or our face already produces its own oil which keeps our face healthy and glowing. Now too much oil application on our face can clog the pores of our face. The clogged pores would be unable to release out the dirt, the sweat, oil, which eventually leads to any form of acne or blemishes. And this is why it is advised not to use any oil or baby oil on our face. People with dry skin can definitely use baby oil on their face, but to a limited level, so that there is not excess oil on your face. Just to keep your face moisturized, you can definitely use the oil on your face, only the dry skin people. One more thing related to baby oil is, do not apply a lot of baby oil on your hair, because of the same reason as I've already told you, that the oil or too much oil or excess of oil on your hair can bring the oil on your forehead, which may lead to acne on your forehead and your face. So do not use too much of oil on your hair. Now coming to the most important problem of baby oil that people think is that it may lead to skin problems or skin damage or some infections. The truth behind this is that it's not the baby oil that causes the skin infection or skin disease, but it is the sun rays that actually harms our skin. Many people does not only use baby oil as a moisturizer, but they also use it as a sunscreen. So what they do is they just apply it all over their body and they step out of the house, and then we all know what harm the sun rays can do to our skin and our body. But people, you have to notice this, that baby oil does not has the properties or the features of protecting you from sun, and then we all know what sun rays can do to our skin. So can use the baby oil as a moisturizer, but please do not use it as a sunscreen. What a sunscreen can do cannot be done by a baby oil. Baby oil can harm our skin, or it may lead to any skin infections or something, is just because of the sun rays that harms our body. And in fact, according to Johnson & Johnson's, the baby oil is clinically proven and dermatologically tested, and it is really safe for us. So we can definitely use baby oil. It's just that we cannot use it as a sunscreen or whenever we are going out. So now a quick summary of the video. So baby oil is really good for adults too. It can just soften their skin and make it really healthy and hydrated. So you can definitely use baby oil without any worries. Ones who have dry skin can apply it on their face also. But some combination type of skin, normal skin or oily skin, should not apply baby oil on their face, as it may lead to some acne or any other problem. And do not use it as a sunscreen. It can only moisturize your skin, that is, it can only make it really hydrated and soft. It cannot protect you from sun rays. So the problems that they say that baby oil may cause some serious infections or skin damage or whatever is because of sun rays. So do not trust baby oil when it comes to protecting your skin from sun. So guys, that was all for today's video, and I just hope that you found the video helpful. You might be knowing the benefits of baby oil, but in this video you would know more about the risks and the exceptions and when we should not use, that is the don'ts of baby oil. And if you still have any query, you can definitely comment me in the below section, and I will surely answer those queries. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.